Hey guys, so welcome back to yet another video. In this video, we'll be trying to solve the problem 1367A, that is short substrings. Okay. Now just to summarize what is given in this, we have a person called Bob. Okay, he has a substring A, which can be anything actually. I mean, like not a substring. He has a string A. So now in this case, the string A is A, B, A, C. Now what he will do is that he will collect all the substrings of length 2 and he will attach them together and he'll have a new substring B. Okay, so now if you see here, the first substring of length 2 is AB, the next substring of length 2 is BA, and after that comes AC. Okay, like these are the substrings. He will just concatenate all of them together. So now your new substring B will be A, BB, AAC, right? This will be your new substring B. So now the question here is that given the new substring B, you have to find the original substring A. Right, now how do you do that? So I'll be explaining that right now with the example cases given. Okay, now here of course the first number stands for the number of example cases that you will have to solve for. Now here the first string is A, B, B, A, A, C, right? So hear me out. First thing is we'll be having an answer string. Okay, so the answer string will basically hold the values of the original string. Okay, so now we'll have a string called answer. Originally answer will be an empty string. Okay, now to the answer string, we will add the first element of the string given to us. In this case, the first element given is A. So we'll add A to our answer string. So now the answer string will just have A. Now what we'll do is that we will have a for loop going from the first index to all the odd indexes of the string. Okay, so basically the first index, the third index, the fifth index, and so on. And as soon as it goes by these indexes, we will add the element of these indexes to our answer string, and that will give us our answer. So let me just erase this. So now if you remember, now our answer string has the first element A. Now like this is common in all the examples, you have to add the first element A separately. So you will have A, answer equals, you will have A now. Now the for loop will go to the first index first, the element is B. So you add B. Then it will go to the third index, element is A, you add A. Then it goes to the fifth index, element is C, you add C. Now this is basically your original string which you started out with. Now we can confirm it as well. If we search for all the substrings of this answer string, we will get AB, then we'll get BA, and we'll get AC. Now if you see, that is the exact same thing as a question given to us. That basically means that we got the correct answer, right? Yeah, now I will show the same thing with the third example case as well. Even the second example case works the same way. In the second example case, A gets added separately. As I said, the first element always gets added separately. Then the for loop starts at the first index, so in this case C. Now in this case, the answer string as well as the original string will be same. It will be AC itself. Now for the third example case, B, C, C, D, D, A, A, F. Okay, in this case, in the answer string, first the element at the 0th index will be added. So now you will have B here. Now after this, the for loop will start from the first index and go on. So first index, third index, fifth index, and the seventh index. Now as it goes along these indexes, we have to add the elements of these indexes as well to our answer string. So when it goes to the first index, the element is C, you add C. When it goes to the third index, the element is D, you add D. When it goes to the fifth index, it is A, you add A. And the seventh index, it is F, you add F. Now this is our answer. Now this was the original string which gave us this substring. Okay, if you want, we can confirm this as well. We can form the substrings from this. Okay, so first you will have BC, then you will have CD, then you will have DA, then you will have AF. And if you see, this is the exact same substring that is given to us. Okay, now that's how you solve this. Now let's try and see how we can code the solution out. Okay, so let's start. First thing is we initialize a string called S and we accept S. Okay, and we create a string called answer, which will basically be our answer string. Okay, first it will be empty. Now we have to add the first element, if you remember. So we can do S, sorry, it's not string S, it will be string answer. So now to this answer string we can add the first element of the string S, so S of 0. Okay, now after this we'll have a for loop going through all the odd indexes. So I less than S dot size. Okay, then I plus equals 2 in this case. Okay, because it's only going by the odd indexes. Now from here what we can do is we can just add it to answer. So answer plus equal to S of I. That's basically it. Now after this you can just see out answer, and that should be the end of it. Now let's run this. Let's copy the example cases. Okay, let's check. Here it is A B. Okay, it's coming as A B A. Let's see what went wrong with that. Maybe we made some small mistake in our code, or we have to start from the first index actually, because the 0th index is already added, right? Yeah, now it will give you the answer. So here you have A B A C, then A C B C D A F, and Z Z Z Z Z Z. Yeah, it works. So now we can copy and submit this. And there you go, it's accepted. So that's how you solve this problem. If you have any other doubts, do mention them in the comment section below. And if you have any recommendations for me to solve any other problem, do mention them as well. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.